Hello 108 students, Mr. McHugh back here with you on section 7.2. We're going to tackle page 3 and we're now going to get down to objective number 3 and start adding or subtracting rational expressions with different denominators. Okay, so now we're going to get down into some serious stuff here. I explained this technique in the last example with some regular fractions, but let me try it again here. Have 7/15 plus 5/12. Now a couple of things I just want to show you here. 15 and 12, maybe you would figure out that LCD fairly quickly in your head. It didn't quite come to me right off the get-go, but here's a little technique here. Take the largest denominator and start going through its times tables, and here's what I mean. What's 15 times 2? 30. Does 12 go into 30? No. What's 15 times 3? 45. Does 12 go into 45 evenly? No. What's 15 times 4? 60. Does 12 go into 60? The answer is yes. How do I know that? Because if you take out a 5-year loan at 12 months like I did for my little smart car, it takes you 60 months to pay it back. Okay, so that is the LCD. Now what I want you to do here is when you find that LCD, write it, put it into the denominator, and then come back up here and try this technique again. Take the problem. Here's 7/15, here's 5/12. 15 times what equals 60? The answer is 4. 15 times 4 is 60. Stack it. 4 divided by 4 is equivalent to 1, so you're not changing it. However, 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, I really want you to see that technique here because that's what you're going to use to make these adding REs a lot easier for you. 12 times what is 60? The answer is 5. Stack it. 5 times 5 is 25. Now you've got equivalency. You've got an LCD in the denominator. 28 plus 25 is 53 sixties, and you're on your way. Okay, so hopefully that idea will help you take care of these techniques of figuring out the LCD and writing equivalency. Okay, so let's start off with example 3A. Looking at it here, and they're giving you 5 divided by 2p plus 3 divided by 8p. The denominators are different. You must find an equivalency. Now what I did here off to the side, I took 2p and 8p. I took 2. Now they go crazy with all the exponents and stuff, but make it easy for yourself. What's LCD between 2 and 8? The answer is 8. So you're looking at LCDs. You need an 8. And p and a p, you pick the highest exponents, or it's a tiebreaker, so it's an 8p. Okay, now with that said, go back to the original problem, write it down, and say 2p times what gives you 8p? Answer is 4. Stack it. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, now over here, 8p times what is 8p? Itself. So stack the ones. Now this is a little bit of redundancy, but just follow the technique. 3 times 1 is 3, which means you just left it alone. 20 plus 3 gives you 23 divided by 8p, because 8p was the LCD. And that's your answer. Okay. Hopefully these words are helping you out here a little bit. Let's take a look at example 4A. This one's going to be helping us deal with subtraction using the distributive property when you're subtracting. Got subtraction of 2 rational expressions. I say, oh, good news. What can I say about those denominators? They are the same. So I'm going to keep it. Keep the LCD, which was the denominator. You keep that. Now you've got 7x minus. Now here's the big thing they want you to see in this problem. You have to put those parentheses on there to deal with that subtraction. You got to put the parentheses in the 1, so you're going to take -1 times x and -1 times 2. Apologize there. Getting 7x minus x plus 2. Use the distributive property. Okay, you're like, that's not so bad. I get it. 7x minus x is 6x. You're like, fine. Then here's the tricky part. 12 divided by 3x plus 1. You think you're done, and then you go factor, factor, factor. And I could pull out a GCF of what? 2 between a 6 and a 2. So I write the 2 times 3x plus 1. I pull it out, and then all of a sudden you see the 3x plus 1 stacked on top of each other as like factors. It's gone, and you're left with your final answer of 2. 2 is the only thing left. Okay, hey, we've done it. Page 3 is in the book, so we got one more page to work on here. It looks like we're going to have a couple more complicated problems, so I'll see you on page 4 to tackle a couple tough problems. Okay, Mr. McHugh signing out for now. I'll see you later. Bye.